Hello everybody, I'm back. My name is Abby and I'm going to be showing you the solution to target number 5. So the problem says, what is the sum of all integers x that satisfy the inequality x squared minus 17x plus 52 over x squared minus 2x minus 3 is less than 0, all of that. So my first step when I look at a big scary equation like this is factoring. Factoring usually makes things simpler. So let's try this. We can factor the numerator as x minus 13 times x minus 4. Remember that we want numbers that add to our middle coefficient b and multiply to our last number c. So 13 times 4, 52. And then we can factor our denominator as x minus 3 times x plus 1. And then this is a little bit nicer to look at than our original fraction. Now, we want all of this to be less than 0. So in other words, we want all of this to multiply to a number that is negative. Right. And we know that if we want these 4 binomes, these 4 cute little expressions in parentheses, to multiply to something negative, we need an odd number of them to be negative. So either 1 or 3. Let's take it one at a time. For x minus 13 to be negative, x has to be less than 13. For x minus 4 to be negative, we want x less than 4. For x minus 3 to be negative, we want x less than 3. And for x plus 1 to be negative, we want x less than a negative 1. Now, notice if we have any numbers greater than 13 or any numbers less than negative 1, then all of them are either going to be negative or positive, and that's even number not going to give us what we want. So let's just look at the interval negative 1 to 13. If we have x in between 4 and 13, then we have just one of these negative, x less than 13, and that'll give us a negative number. And if we have x in between negative 1 and 3, we'll have 3 of them to be negative, everything except for this guy. So then we want the sum of all integers x. So if we add up all the numbers 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, 10, 11, all the way up to 12. Remember, don't include 4 or 13. And then plus 0 plus 1 plus 2, don't include 3. The sum of all these numbers gets us 71. So try it out or take my word for it, but 71 is the answer.
This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.